आपकी मदद चाहता हूं सर यहाँ पर। आप इनको ऐसा आसान से नहीं छोड़ेंगे। ये मेरा सवाल क्या था सर कि मिशन 2022 के तहत आपने वादा किया कि 1 करोड़ 12 लाख घर बनाए जाएंगे। मैंने मोहतरम से पूछा कि आपको इस साल बजट में 27,500 करोड़ रुपए दिए गए। 1 करोड़ 12 लाख घर को मुकम्मल करने के लिए आपकी मिनिस्ट्री को क्या 7 लाख करोड़ की जरूरत नहीं है? और आप फिरा कर कभी फास्टर वन, कभी गूगली, कभी चक कर रहे हैं, क्या है सर ये?
सर ये
एक सवाल सर आप देखिए सर, मेरा पहला अब इसी में चले आता है। हम एक पॉइंटेड सवाल किए मोहतरम से, वजीर साहब से, और वो बोल रहे कि रिसोर्सेज जनरेट करेंगे। भाई आप जनरेट करेंगे तो वादा करिए ना कि 7 लाख करोड़ देंगे। सर मेरा दूसरा सप्लीमेंट्री है, वो जवाब नहीं दिया। मेरा दूसरा सप्लीमेंट्री मिनिस्टर साहब से ये है कि डू यू नो सर दैट 4 days ago in Mau district of UP, an old woman died because of collapse of stairs under this same PMAY. There are so many complaints about the quality of construction. What steps are being taken by your ministry to ensure that the quality of construction is of good standard, or whatever standard is prescribed? And may I also, sir, I also want to know from the Honourable Minister, is that have all the installments under the scheme been transferred to beneficiaries in a timely manner so as to enable them to construct houses at the earliest? And what is the total number of beneficiaries whose claims are pending as of date? What measure is it adopting to ensure timely payment of installments at the grassroots level? सर ये मेरा पॉइंटेड क्वेश्चन है सर, मैं आपसे रेस्क्यू चाहता हूं कि मिनिस्टर साहब बड़े काबिल जरूर हैं, वो ब्यूरोक्रेट भी रह चुके हैं, मैं थोड़ा जवाब दीजिए सर हमको।
Sir, I would like to inform the honourable member that this is not a game of cricket, and I provided straight answers. Let me repeat. Just 27 straight bat. Front first, foot forward. 27,500 crores is for the ministry, not for affordable housing. And as I said, over the past 5 years, we have been getting an average about 6,500 crores or so. Now, out of this 27,500 crores, what comes under PMAY is about 8,000 crores. You cannot have a situation, sir, where we cook up a figure and then we say this is the figure as if it has a finality, 700,000 crores. It could be 900,000 crores. I'm trying to explain that the scheme is implemented through 4 verticals. It's not that 1.12 crore homes are being built. Some are being sanctioned. Some are amounts as small as 1,50,000, which are given for beneficiary-led construction. If Mr. Owaisi, the honourable member, has a home of his own, he'll get 1,50,000. Equally, if you have a credit-linked subsidy scheme, which we have an interest subvention, you're a young professional, you go to a bank, you want to borrow money, we give you 3% upfront. So the figure is not 700,000 crore. So once you cut a figure and then you seek the speaker's help, sir, you don't need the honourable chair's this thing. I am providing the figure that I am providing you the figure. I am saying that if the total figure, I think we will need another 70,000 crores or so. Apart from the budgetary grants that we've got on an average of 6,500 a year for 5 years, 8,000 crores this year, and we will keep getting till 2022.